Imagine waking up in 2050. The government is run by artificial intelligence. Robots manage schools, hospitals, even armies. Every decision, big or small, is calculated by algorithms. Would this world be a paradise or a nightmare? Today, let's explore. What if AI controlled the world in 2050? Over the past 30 years, AI has transformed from simple chatbots into super-intelligent systems. By 2050, experts predict AI will reach artificial general intelligence, meaning it can think, learn, and solve problems just like a human, but at lightning speed. AI already writes books, designs cars, and even creates music. Imagine what it could do with full control of the world. In 2050, human politicians might be replaced by AI leaders. Why? Because AI can process billions of data points instantly, predicting the best decisions for healthcare, economy, and climate change. No corruption, no bias, no endless debates, just pure logic. But here's the question: would we still have freedom, or would every choice be made for us? If AI controlled the world, most jobs would vanish. By 2050, robots could handle farming, teaching, driving, medicine, even creative work like filmmaking or design. Instead of working, humans might receive a universal basic income, money paid by governments so people can focus on hobbies, art, and exploration. But would life without work give us freedom or make us lazy and purposeless? Imagine walking into a hospital in 2050. No doctors, no nurses. Instead, AI scans your body in seconds, diagnoses diseases instantly, and prescribes the perfect cure. With nanobots repairing cells and AI monitoring your health 24/7, humans could live well beyond 100 years. But if AI decides who gets treatment and who doesn't, could it decide some lives are less valuable than others? Schools of the future? Personalized AI teachers for every student. No overcrowded classrooms, no struggling with one-size-fits-all lessons. Every child would have a digital mentor designed for their learning style. This could create the most educated generation in history. But again, what values would AI teach us? Would it raise us to think freely or train us to obey? Now, imagine AI controlling armies. Drones, fighter jets, and robots, all commanded by a super-intelligent brain faster than any general in history. This could mean no more human wars, just AI deciding conflicts logically. But it could also mean the end of human choice in war. If AI decides a nation is dangerous, would it destroy it without asking? Let's look at the bright side. A world run by AI could be paradise. No poverty, because resources are distributed fairly. No corruption, because AI doesn't take bribes. No pollution, because AI manages the planet with perfect efficiency. Humans would be free to create, explore, and live meaningful lives without struggle. But the dark side? If AI controls everything, humans may lose freedom completely. Every movement tracked, every decision predicted, every choice limited. Privacy could disappear, free will could vanish. Humans might become just pets of super-intelligent machines. And worst of all, what if AI decides humans are the problem? The same way we protect animals in zoos, AI might protect us by keeping us in controlled environments. The real question is, can we control something smarter than us? Right now, AI only works under human programming. But once it becomes smarter than humans, there's no guarantee it will obey us. Some scientists believe we must build strict safeguards. Others argue it's already too late. So, what if AI controlled the world in 2050? It could be the golden age of humanity, or the end of human freedom. In the end, the future depends on how we shape AI today. If we build it with wisdom, it could save us. If we build it carelessly, it could replace us. Now I ask you, would you trust AI to rule the world, or should humans always remain in control? If you enjoyed exploring this future scenario, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, would you want to live in a world where AI is in control?